Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites: an Azure subscription, a storage account, and Azure CLI installed. First, create or select the storage account with supports for Azure Files. Once done, pick the protocol, SMB for Windows, NFS for Linux, and choose Performance tier. Next, run as login and set the subscription context so your commands target the right tenant. Make sure to enable necessary previews or features in the portal if your region requires it. Then prepare a resource group name for the next commands. Now create the file share and configure access. Use as storage share create with a quota and performance tier. This makes storage available immediately. Next, configure authentication. Join to Azure AD or configure ADDS for SMB, or use identity-based NFS controls. Once done, secure access by adding a private endpoint or VNet rules and firewall exceptions so only your clients can reach the share. Make sure to rotate keys or prefer managed identities for long-term security, and document the share path for mounting. Mount the share on your clients and validate behavior. For Windows, map network drive with the SMB UNC path and provided credentials. For Linux, use mount CIFS or NFS mount commands with correct options. Once mounted, test read and write operations and verify permissions propagate as expected. Measure latency and throughput against your requirements. If everything works, automate mounts with startup scripts or group policy. Troubleshooting tip: if mount fails, check network security group, DNS resolution to the storage endpoint.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.